Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video we show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, so don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon, and don't forget to like this video also. So I hope you will like this video. So don't forget to comment me. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this picture is also very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the red color wall decoration and all, very beautiful decoration. The lamps and all, the lamp, the floor also red color. This is also very beautiful. You can see the film and the sofas and all in silver color. Very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the wall and all in purple color. The lights and all very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed and all, the bed and the floor, the chairs and all in red color. Very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the bed. You can see there on the side bed. You can see chairs and all here. Beautiful decoration. Expensive room. This one also very beautiful. You can see the pink color. Washing here, you can wash your hands and all, and then beautiful mirror and all. You can see this is also very beautiful. You can change dress and all, very beautiful decoration. Automatic door, very beautiful. This one also you can see the down purple color lights and all, purple color lights and very beautiful. The wall also, the beautiful mirrors and all, and the lights and all. This one also very beautiful. You can see the walls and all, and the bed and the floor. Beautiful decoration they did. This one also the red color wall. Beside cupboard is there. You can keep your books and all, very beautiful. Good. This one also very beautiful. You can keep your side here cupboard books. You can keep the lamp. You can see the red color cotton. You can see very beautiful decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the candles, the fire down. You can see the red color wall and all, very beautiful. The mirror. It is a luxury house. This one also very beautiful. You can see the table, red color table and all, and the wall red color. The table and all also very beautiful. This one also the expensive normal room and classic room, very beautiful. You can see the photos and all, and the very beautiful. This one also very good. You can see the chair. You can see the wall. You can see the plants and all, very beautiful decoration. Very good decoration. This one also very beautiful. You can see the red color, black color bed, the red color wall and all. This one also very good. So I hope you like this video. If you also don't forget to comment and press the bell icon, so when I post my new video you will get the notification first. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.